Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients. 400 g tipo 00 flour, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 tsp salt for fresh pasta dough. On the counter, make a well in the flour, crack the eggs into the center, add oil and salt, and gradually incorporate with a fork until shaggy dough forms. Knead for 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, wrap in plastic and rest 30 minutes. While dough rests, open 400 g canned San Marzano tomatoes, smash by hand, and prepare 2 garlic cloves and 10 g basil for the sauce. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and reserve 1 cup pasta cooking water. After resting, divide the dough into 4 pieces and flatten 1 piece for rolling. Keep the rest covered. Use a pasta machine or rolling pin to roll each piece thin to about 1.5 mm and cut into 3 mm tagliolini, fettuccine, or your preferred shape. Dust strands lightly with 1 tablespoon semolina to prevent sticking and hang or spread on a floured tray while you roll remaining portions. Work in small batches for consistent thickness. Fresh pasta cooks fast, about 1 to 3 minutes in boiling salted water until al dente, depending on thickness. Make the sauce by heating 2 tablespoon olive oil in a skillet, adding 2 garlic cloves, and sautéing until fragrant but not browned, about 30 seconds. Add 400 g canned San Marzano tomatoes, pinch of salt, and simmer gently for 10 minutes to concentrate flavor. Break up tomatoes with a spoon. Drain fresh pasta and transfer directly to the skillet, tossing with 1 cup reserved pasta cooking water to emulsify the sauce and coat strands. Off the heat, add 10 g torn basil and 30 g grated pecorino or Parmigiano Reggiano. Toss once more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.